Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. And what I'm doing today is I am working on trying to get my Mermaid and the turtle here somewhere too, and Dolphins done so that I could put it on the painting that I showed you before, but I'll show you here just in case you didn't see the first video. I pour painted this, and then I added the sea bed with the grass and the corals. So what I want to do is I want to put a mermaid on there, and a couple dolphins, and maybe the turtle, although the turtle might be a little too thick because I am going to resin it. However, she's pretty thick too, so we'll see. Broke out my painter's acrylic painter's markers, and those seem to be doing the best so far. I had never used those before, so I'm using them now. So what I'm doing is I've already colored her in blue down here, and then I went back over it with my green marker for the scales. So besides those, I'm trying to decide what color I should make. I don't think I want it the same color as the blue. So what other paint markers do I have? I think red would be too much. That is black, no. Ah, purple. Maybe the purple will look pretty. Alright, there we go. Shake them up a little bit. Yeah, I have these Arteza, but they're water-based too, so I didn't even try those yet. And then I use these twin-tip brush markers that I got at Hobby Lobby, and they're water-based. So then I switched to Infinity because they are permanent, and that's what I was using. And then I remembered I have these paint markers, and I said, you know what? Let's try the paint markers. Alright, so let's get it started. I don't have all the colors in the paint markers. I just have the basics, primary, and some of the secondary. Come on, here we go. I see the purples coming out. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So, I'm going to try to stay right here. Now I'm wishing I did this purple and green too. Alright, so, see if I can stay within the area. Beautiful purple. Of course, everybody knows purple is my favorite color. Purple, and I like some of the deep pinks like magentas. I like teal too. It's terrible. I have too many favorite colors. And then for my house, I like reds, golds, orange, browns, more earthy tones for my home. Now, I love the warm, toasty feeling of fall all year round in my home. I made her hair a brownish color. Yeah, she's quite thick too. I'll probably have to put 2 or 3 coats. At least 2. Probably 3 coats of resin because she's so thick. Too bad she wasn't about half that thickness. I really like these painter markers. Very nice for the price. I think we need what color? Maybe we should put that purple up there too. That might look really good right there. Oh yeah, like that much better. I don't know if that's too much purple, but I like it. I think it's pretty. They have this for silver. Maybe this would look cute right here. This. It's a purple. That's pretty. Ooh, I like it. So, do we need a string of pearls to go like that, and then put purple on it when it's dry? Alright, so what I'm doing is giving a little definition here. That looks pretty good. That's good. And maybe we should put a little shadow right here. Alright, so that's what I wanted there. So, where I'm at now, I had to charge my phone, so I'm working on the Dolphins again. I did some more touch-up on the Mermaid. Let's show you. Try to give a little bit more definition and things that I was doing to her. So, and I just did I used some black and green and yellow on the turtle. Oops. I might not get the turtle on there, either that or I might have to figure out a way to slice the bottom part off so he's shorter. He's so deep, thick. So at least to get him to the thickness of the Mermaid. And then I've been working on the Dolphins. And actually, they're one of the harder ones. I'm trying to blend them in. And I'm using some of the white painter's marker, some of the water brush markers, water-based, from Twin Tips. I'm using a darker gray, and a gel pen, and an infinity permanent marker that's silver. Basically, I've used the gel pen for the eyes and the mouths, and what I've done is I keep adding silvers and the darker ones. First of all, I gave them white bellies or off-white bellies, because most dolphins have the white belly. So I wanted to make sure that that showed somewhat, and I gave them a little bit darker dorsal fins. And how I'm doing these so that I'm blending them is I will put the silver on first, and I'll take this, which is the darker watercolor based one, and I just go like this, and then I rub it in, just like that. Just like that. To give it that different look. And no two dolphins are going to be identical. So hopefully that looks pretty and good. And same here. I think I'm done with this point now. I think I've got it the way I want to, actually. I've even given them a little spot up top for their blowhole, but this one shows more. This one's not showing as much. It fades out. So, there we have it. We have our two dolphins. Then we got our turtle, and we have our mermaid. So, what I will be doing is placing them. This is the seabed. So I haven't decided exactly. I sort of want the dolphins coming out of the top. Like they're coming out of the top of the water. There we go. But I can't do that, so I'm not sure how I'm going to put it yet. Something like this, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll have to can't really, I'm not sure how to do it. So I will see you soon, everybody, and thank you for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.